Hey everybody, welcome to another video from Sensei University. My name's David, and in today's video we're going to go over the Lean-To feature that is new to Sensei 2.0, and this is going to show you if you have a building. See, we've got just a standard garage. We'll go with that. The size on this one default 20 by 30 by 10. That looks good. So we're going to go down, we're going to add a lean-to. Let's say we'll add one to the right side, since that's what we're looking at right now. You can see by default it's going to make that lean-to the entire length of the building. So it's going to be 30 feet. Now let's say you don't want it at 30 feet, you want a smaller one on there for whatever reason. You can come and change it down to 11, or you can go down to 10 on a standard here. So now you've got it by default. Once you do that, it's going to put it in the center of the building. At this point you could either choose front and it'll put it all the way at the front end, or you can choose back and it'll put it all the way at the back end flush. So if you didn't want any of those choices and you wanted somewhere specific that you wanted it, you could just grab onto it, put your cursor on there, and left click on your mouse and just slide it around in the exact place that you want it. So that was a feature that was not available for Classic, Sensei Classic, and it is for 2.0. So just another one of the perks for 2.0 and the advancements, and something to make things a little more efficient. If you have any questions on anything, give us a call at 336-515-7900, and we want to thank you for tuning in, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.